Okay, we are again here in our food styling number 5, but this is part 5. Okay, so we have a dessert, another dessert. This is dessert number 2. We are going to make now our peaches cream roti with Chef Madeleine. So I just simply call her Mads. Okay. So Mads, ano yung gagawin natin? Kung sakaling wala tayong peaches, pwedeng mangga, di ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, magiging peaches roti. Or ngayon ito ay peach, ayan. Ay, paano ulit?
Peaches cream roti.
Okay, peaches cream roti. Okay. So, anong una natin gagawin? Of course, we're gonna put the fire on. And we're going to place oil. Konting oil lang. Okay. Yan. Ating lulutuin. Peaches. Kung wala pang peaches, pwedeng manggang hinog. Okay. Itong pita bread, pwede nyong gawin. Pwede ring bumili kayo ng ready-made. Of course, if you're into culinary, best is you know how to do it. Okay, we just simply have to send you later in this video how to make the homemade pita bread. Okay, it's just simply a flour. But this time, to make it fast, we have here our pita bread that has been prepared already. Okay. Ayan. Sasabay na po natin yung ating garnish and you're going to see how beautiful this garnish is. Okay. Mainit na po yung pan. Nilagay na po natin yung pita bread. Okay. Ito po ginamit namin kasi we're into food styling. Simply, you already know how to make the pita bread. It's how you are going to prepare it as fast as you can because you don't want your guests to wait. Okay. Ayan na po ang ating pita bread. Mainit na rin po yung pan. Okay, we are now placing our sugar in our pan for our caramelized sugar. Okay, mga approximately 1/4 cup o 1/2 cup of sugar. White sugar po yung ginamit natin at hindi po ito brown sugar. Ayan. So, pag pumuputok-putok na po yung ating pita, yan na, it's a sign that it's already being cooked. Okay, babalik rin lang po natin. Kung wala pa kayong non-stick pan, you can just use an ordinary pan at home. Just place oil. And then you can have, okay, your pita bread. Ayan po, yung ating pita bread. Minsan nakikita ko yung mga nagluluto ng ganyan, hindi nila nilalagyan ng oil. No, pan lang, di ba? Kagaya yung mga nagtitinda ng shawarma. Okay. Ayan. So, nilagyan po natin ng konting oil. Yung ating pita bread. Okay, there you are. Konting luto lang. Isa lang yung gagawin natin, tama, Madel?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yan. Magkano naman tong ganito doon sa
180,
Sage? 180. Itong dessert na to ang ginagawa natin. Special dessert from Sage. Please visit Sage at Military Cut-Off. Okay, so featuring our beautiful Mads, our chef. Okay, so hinati-hati na po niya yung ating pita bread na niluto kanina. Pan fry lang po siya. Konting oil habang mainit pa. Okay, hinati-hati na po niya yung ating pita bread. And you can see now also our sugar that's already caramelizing. Okay. Dry caramelization. Meron kaming favorite pet dito. Ano pangalan ng ating friend dito? Marley. Oh, Marley, bakit M? Parang Mads at Marley. Di ba? Oh, magkasing tunog. Hi, Marley. Okay, yan. Yung ating sugar. White sugar po yung ginamit natin. Yes, what's important here is you know how to control. Hindi po dapat overcook yung ating sugar. Okay? Kasi mabilis po ito mag-harden. Yan na yung ating caramelized sugar. Mabilis, mabilis, mabilis si Ate Mads. Wow! Sarap. You really have to have a sweet tooth for this. Masarap po yung sugar na ito. Okay. Yan. Okay, sabi ni Mads, kasi hindi pa daw pwede. Hindi pa pwede. Kunti pa. Para lang maano natin. Yun. There you are. Nagkunting brown, brown, brown na po yung ating sugar. Okay.
Pwede na mag-plate. Pwede na mag-plate.
Oh, yeah. Pwede na tayong mag-plating. Pwede na. Okay, so we are ready for our plating. Si Mads, nilalagay na po niya yung ating chocolate. Actually, chocolate lang po ito. Kita nyo kung paano siya gumawa. Ang galing-galing. Then, nilagay na po niya yung ating pita bread, which has been fried. Okay. Parang bulaklak po ulit yung kanyang ginagawa. Ayan. Ang galing-galing niya mag-style. So, hinati-hati po niya kanina. Okay, ginunting-gunting niya. Lalagay na po. This one is condensed milk. Okay, yung una niya nilagay po niya kanina is chocolate syrup. Now, she is placing our peaches. Kung wala pong peaches, pwede pong mangga. No? So, wow, social talaga. Ang sarap-sarap. 180 po ito sa Sage. Please visit Sage. This is Baguio, of course. Yan. And she's also placing sesame. Wow, beautiful. And, of course, our favorite, our vanilla ice cream. Ayan yung ating ice cream. Wow. Ang dami-daming ice cream. Yay! I'm sure kids will love this. But even adults will love this, definitely. Ayan. Okay. And chocolate again. Wow! Social. And the last one for her plating is our cherry. Hindi ka buksan. Ay, hindi ko rin mabuksan. Ninervous kasi si Mads.
Ban lang natin po.
Pinainit lang po natin yung sugar kasi tumigas po kanina. She has a special tool, actually. Parang paikot-ikot lang yung ating asukal. Okay, what if we don't have this at home? Use a fork. So you can just simply use the fork and just swirl the sugar, caramelized sugar. Ayan na po. Yan ating caramelized sugar. Okay, how she's going to do it. She wants to make it perfect. Ayan. Kung paano natin gagawin yung kanyang swirled sugar. Konting luto pa, ano, Mads?
Yes, ma'am.
So, ano ba yung kulang? Yung pagkaluto niya or
Medyo tumigas na po kasi hindi natin
mahihila? Kaya hindi kagaya kanina.
Opo.
Oo. So, it will take time. Okay na siya. Okay. She's now placing the cherry and then the chocolate. Ayan. chocolate syrup lang po ito na nilagay natin doon sa container para lang po magtutulo po siya. What if you don't have this at home? Pwede po ilagay nyo yung chocolate sa plastic and then cut nyo lang po, or you have a pastry bag, pwede pa rin. Okay. So, there you are yung kanyang sugar. Sige lang. Wow. Yan na yung kanyang sugar talaga. Okay. And ito yung pinaka-technique niya. Please ha, mainit po yung sugar. Don't use your bare hands. Okay. So, inikot-ikot yung sugar. Yung iba, ang alam ko po, nilalagay po nila ito sa ice. Para lang po, ayan. Beautiful sugar. Caramelized sugar. So, this is it. And we have the leaf. Okay. Yun. Si Madeleine Costales. This is our beautiful peach roti. Tama?
Yes.
Okay. Beautiful plating. So, diba? Ganda-ganda. Okay. So, beautiful plating of our... Kung wala pa tayong peaches, pwede pong mangga. Ang nagpaganda po nito is yung sugar na nilagay niya. And of course, definitely it's going to be good. Why? This is peaches and this is vanilla ice cream. So this is food styling number 5, part 5. Again, thank you very much, Madeleine Costales. This is from Sage. This is Mom Chick Florentine saying thank you for our number 5 food styling. This is for the exams of my favorite students. Good luck and happy eating. Thank you. Hi! Actually, we're here. Kasama ko si Ma'am Arlene ngayon. Finisher namin ngayon ng Sage. So, you see in our video, in our YouTube later, yung ibang products at saka items na binibenta ni na Ma'am. Please visit their place. This is saan po, Ma'am Arlene?
At 95 military cut-off, Baguio.
Okay. Ma'am, you do deliveries also?
Yes.
Oh.
And take-outs.
Meron po kayong ano doon sa Facebook?
Meron po kaming website.
May website. So, Sage.
Sa Facebook din po.
Facebook. Okay. Ito po yung specialty nila, which is the bulalo. Okay, steak. And ito, kinakain ko na po ngayon yung kanilang Portuguese salmon. Okay. Grabe, ang sarap.
Kain na po.
Si Arlene po yung ating nagluto kanina. Tingin naman sa camera, Arlene. Hi! Welcome to Sage.